from a new company called Gungnir Grooming. And the owner, Chris, is going to be on my my stream on Monday Night Truth. And everything's safe. Nice. Yeah, let's get there. Yeah, so this scent is the Wanderer in the oil. Super cold from obviously being in trucks and such for a while. Hey, what's up, George? Thanks for coming in. Ooh, another sticker. Heck yeah. Very cool. Yeah, and this scent is, I know there's pine. It's a smoky type scent, and he also sent a special butter, which is not out yet, but that'll be out in the new year. This is very cold, so I'm gonna have to give this some time to warm up. Oh, that's awesome. That's a Christmas scent, 100%. It's like smoky, but with the pine. Oh, I'm gonna have to rock this tomorrow. Damn. Yo, this is incredible. That's an awesome scent. And this bottle will be out in the new year, like I said. But yeah, Gungnir Grooming. Catch Chris, the owner, on Monday Night Truth. Yeah, he'll be on. I've known him for over a year. Just doing some just sniffing. Gungnir Grooming, based in New York. New small batch company. Small batch handmade company. I've known the owner for a year now. This scent is pine and smoke and a couple of good things, but it reminds me of Christmas. Like, I got the sure this. Yeah, that oil is partially frozen. Yeah, it smells great. Yeah, real cold. The oil will look cloudy. Yeah, some do freeze a little depending on the oils. Yeah, I think that's what happened. But my room's pretty warm, so it'll warm up pretty quickly. Yeah, the ingredients on Gungnir is going to be jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, and then fragrance. Yeah, so once that unfreezes, I'll be testing that out. It's all good. Yeah, it happens. It is what it is. Good old winter weather. At the cool rune on there. This is a Norse type themed company. Yeah, the scent is awesome, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying that out. That's kind of what I wanted to do. Hop on here, just do that quick unboxing. Monday Night Truth with Chris from Gungnir Grooming. Gonna be awesome. Tune in for that live on my YouTube channel. It's gonna be a good time. Shout out to everybody that's watching this on YouTube because it will be there as well. Chopped up, obviously, but yeah. Peace out.